Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. I'm going to start with Ethereum first and then we are going to Bitcoin. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Now is the time and you will see exactly why. We are writing a history right there and I need you to be extremely careful on this video and I need you to watch it out. All of it, okay, if you can, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Ethereum first. That if we clear all the things into the graph and if we see it clearly, then we will realize that we are having a very nice typical pattern of a head and shoulders pattern. And why is that, Bill? Of course, I'm going to explain. The left shoulder, the head, and of course, the right shoulder. Okay, so here it is how it is looking like if you have a head and shoulders, but a reversed head and shoulders pattern. What does this mean? It means that we are going to have a breakout out of this line right here. Eventually, we are going to explode even higher. Now, let's see the next targets because I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited because Bitcoin has gone past above the pivot point as well in the lower time frames. We need to wait a little bit to confirm it, but it is all over there. Of course, for Ethereum, you are going to see that we can explode above this top trend line and we can go potentially towards the next target, which is the 1344, followed by 1415. It is very possible that Ethereum is going to go all the way up into these targets right here and eventually maybe even higher. I'm going to explain why in a second. Today we have the CPI data, so I would just suggest please avoid going into very short-term details. So you can see plus 4.71%, plus 10%. Do not go today for scalping or something like that, even after the CPI data, because for example, we might have something like a fake out and then we pump just more, okay? But anyway, you can see that right now we are targeting these targets for ETH. And from where we are right now, this is a nice 4.88%, followed by another plus 10%, followed by another plus 18%. Very good, nice profits, okay? So can we manage to go there? Yes, we do. We can manage to go all the way up to these targets right here. What about the Bitcoin chart? Bitcoin chart explosion in the 15-minute mark, plus 1.39%. As you all remember what we talked about starting from this correction, what I told you, team, it was that we are going to 17.7k and after we are going down to have a fake out towards the 16.2 from where we are going to start the next bull run. Check out my previous updates. This is what we talked about. Right now, it seems like BTC wants to go higher. It is coming above and actually breaking above this bullish pennant formation that we had. And right now what we are having is that in the lower time frames, in the 1 hour frame, for example, it is the first time that we are going above the pivot point. Now, is this the hugely bullish moment that we were expecting? No. In the lower time frames, you can go up and eventually then close below and nothing happens. Okay, for example, 4 hour frame can still close below, but it is one thing that I'm thinking that we are going to go all the way up. It is the logical thinking of the Feds. You can see the 17.7k was the bottom of this bearish cycle, but the Feds wanted to have another fake out towards the bottom, so many people will sell. Many people are actually thinking that we are going to go all the way up lower. I am not into that position. What I think about Bitcoin is that we are going to see a very huge, nice bull trend pretty soon enough. I do not know if this will be enough to bring us all the way back up to a next bullish cycle, but a bull run into this bearish cycle will be the next big thing for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, and we might write history right now. Many people do not know how important this target is, but let me tell you, this is the most important target out of all in the crypto, and this today is the most important day, let alone be this week, okay? Because this week will give us many details about what we are going to do. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join now our monthly subscription. Now it is the time. Trust me on that. You will make many profits. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.